So I drove 1 hour to get this mower, and surprisingly the owner doesn't know anything about it. So I got it and I came back, and it has some oil in there, but look at the air filter. This is not gonna run, period. So I'm gonna put some oil, gas in the tank, and see gas in the carb, and see if it's gonna start or not. I got this mower, and then it won't start. I put some fuel in the carburetor to start it. I tried to put more fuel in the tank because it was dry. It won't start, so it has carb issues. So I have to clean the carb and see what's going on. Hopefully it will start. Okay, just take off the screw for the cover. This is the same, probably carb for the other Craftsman. I mean for the lawnmower we did the last time. It's just this only had the extra like cover, so I don't have to take the whole cover out. It's just regular screw. Now let's find that. Yep, that's I think three bolts, 5/16. I have a bad memory remembering. I should remember more. Okay, when I climb the fuel tank line, because I already put some fuel, hoping that will start. I don't have to clean the carb, but it didn't start. So I'll just clean the carb anyway. All right, let's take out 3 bolts, one inside, and this is doing the carb, going straight to. Okay, there you go, 3. All right, let's see. This will be easy to come off, and of course it's steady as usual. I'm just gonna see if there's a gasket here. Probably it's here. I don't wanna break it. Okay. I'm gonna remove the fuel hose. Okay, that looks some residue. Shit's fine. All right. Okay, if I remember those bolt was 3/8, I think. Yeah. Same carb like the other lawn boy we did the last time. It's actually 2 lawn boys that we did. One was the electric start, one I don't lose that. I don't see it. It's right here. Okay, so the car should come off easy now. Alright, only the linkage. Okay, just see. Yeah. Should have washed it, but I still have no access for water. Because it's kinda, today is actually kinda more cold, it's like 40 degrees outside. So I'm just gonna try to clean that. So I cleaned the car from outside. I'm just gonna do the same thing. Not too bad. It's not too bad either, but it looks like there's some residue, maybe water. Get the pin, plug comes out. The needle looks good. Okay, I'm just gonna, floor looks okay. Just gonna try to clear out all jets. I use this, I bought this couple bucks online, so this makes it easier. I don't have to look for any wires or anything. There's a jet here. Okay, what else is here too? Those 2 sides, probably one's clogged. Let's see. I need a right through this jet. Yeah, so I'm just gonna, I think I missed one. There's one here. Alright, make sure everything is good. And also here. This looks clear to me, but I'll just clean it anyway. Okay, clean it with car cleaner. Now it's time to put everything together. If you want to make sure, check just blow air here while it's in this position. No air should go through because the floor is in a locked position. And try one more time and lift it up, and should So that's the carb. That's mean the carb is functioning well, the way it should be. So put everything back together. All right. Untidy first, and guess not. Just gonna use my unpack wrench. Right, and that's good. Yeah, I don't want to take this gasket because it looks like it's gonna get ripped. So I'm just gonna leave it. It looks in a good shape, but you know, if you take it out, it might, you know, break or something. So yeah, so let's put it back. I'm just gonna clean around the carb and the mower, and we will put it back the same way we took it out. Alright, time to put it back. So there is an O-ring around it goes here from the other side, so it's already installed. I put it in, make sure it's there because you know you don't have leaks. Alright, so it's time to put it back. So this is the linkage. You just flip it's an L, I believe, shape. So make sure you put it straight like that, and then twist, and then the car goes right in place. So I'm just gonna install the fuel line. Just gonna get my impact, and there's like 2 bolts. Falling on me. Alright, let's try to do this time. Somehow something's not right. Let's try to untie it first. Got this wrong first. Let's see. Second one. Doesn't feel like it in its place. Or did I get the wrong socket? I think it's the wrong socket. see, wrong screws maybe. Yeah, I found what's wrong. I switched the bolts for the cover and the carb and the one inside, so that's why it wasn't like catching any threads. So now now should be good. I got the correct. Okay, first one. Let's get the second one. Okay, gasket is good. Just check the linkage and everything working. Choke. Yeah. All right. So I put the clamp over the fuel line. Make sure, otherwise we're gonna have a big leak. Yeah. Okay, everything's good. The breather tube is still there. Make sure it's good. So now it's time to clean the cover. That's the cover from inside. Of course, that's the other. Yeah, that's the carb cover. Yeah, and there's like a primer ball too. It looks good. Just gonna clean that in a second. So we cleaned the cover as much as we could. Need the breather hose first. Started 3 bolts, 2 on the carb and one like some piece of metal on the back, so it can, you know, attach to it. Okay, my glove. Okay. Not overdo it because that's plastic, it might break. So we got the carb, everything. I'm just gonna take off the fuel clamp and see. No leaks. Yeah, it needs some more cleaning from outside. I understand that. As I say, still I don't have access to water. Yeah, and then hopefully it'll start. I'm just gonna put back the cover over here. It's a regular screw. Alright. There's like some tab that goes, I think, right here. Okay. I'll put it back. So this mower is electric start. I wasn't sure if the electric start will it's working or not, so I used a different battery from the Lone Boy. It clicked, so doesn't mean everything looks okay, but the battery was like voltage was low, or amp was low, so it won't start. Plus it's not starting on, you know, because it has carb problems. So did I put it the right way? Let's see. I feel it's kind of loose in the front. Let's put it. Let's take it out and take another look. Okay. Alright. There's nothing. There's like a small tap here too. It goes right here, but on the big one it goes under. There's nothing here in the front, so I believe I was yeah, I believe this is it. Maybe when I put the air filter cover will be more stable. Okay, somehow it's not. Okay, all right. Yeah, now it looks a little better. Not a whole lot. Just try to dust off the cover. Just gonna get the new filter. I believe this is my new air filter. I believe that goes, I'm not sure if it goes first or it goes second. If anybody knows, just let me know please in the comments. So I believe this is like fine for fine dust or whatsoever. So put this here. else goes here? So let's put it over here. Yeah, I guess so. I believe the filter will, filter the big particles, and the small ones will, get filtered in the second filter. Let me tighten this. Alright, that works, hopefully. And try to start it until I order the battery already. It should be coming today, and hopefully I'll put it in the video as well. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna try to start it now. I'm just gonna prime it first and see if it runs.